Hey guys, yeah, it's your trade of the day one more time here today. And for me, easy one to pick, man. I mean, it's going to be NVIDIA. We actually got this bottom tick there at 168 today on NVIDIA. And I just wanted to show you here, we talked about it right here on the sticky note, right? Follow me at TraderTV, Shawn, all of us at TraderTV.Live on Twitter as well. The chips had a monster day yesterday. We knew that. I'm just reading what we wrote down here. We should continue again. Look to the 168 area for first entry, then watch for 166 for the ultimate long, if that came through. Well, where did we find that? This is just a 60-minute chart. I mean, honestly, if you go back, we had a top out the other day, 2 days ago at 168, which is right here. So we did top out there. Then yesterday took it out and didn't really look back. If you look back to yesterday, I sort of zoomed this back out. This is a 3-minute chart. There's that top yesterday of 169-ish, 168.80, something like that. That yesterday's top. As soon as that took, boom, back down to the downside. So when we came in today, we noticed the NASDAQ was about flat, right? So we knew there was going to be chip strength. Of course, there's the bill, a slim down one voted on. They're working on a bigger one. I just thought, hey, you know what? If this market wants to go, we know we want to be long chips. I mean, look at how well NVIDIA's done off some of these bottoms. It's been a big move up, and we're starting to clear through what I call some of this garbage that's been happening the last couple of days in here in between 160 and 165. So there's that ultimate bottom of 166. And again, just kind of figured that in here. We had sort of danced around 166. Nothing really in this area, but if we were going to go, it was going to be a 166 long, giving it to about that 165 or so area. But there it is. It comes into play almost immediately, not almost immediately, immediately off the open. And again, if you don't have your bids out, that's why we put these prices on here. Sometimes we miss them. They never get to those levels, right? But today comes in for NVIDIA. We take the long. Not only is that in there, but we also see yesterday into the close kind of defending this 168 area, right? So we close higher, come in lower, and just say, you know what, if you're gonna give us some longs, then give it to us. Give it to us at 168, and we'll work with it from there moving forward. But as soon as we get the trade, it just starts to blow up to the upside. So our first out is $1, I believe. It's maybe 80 to 90 cents in front of that 169. That boom goes the dynamite. We get at about 170.50, which is the pre-market high, and then it absolutely takes off to the upside. And even as it's going here, we debated getting out at 174, but then, you know, when you're kind of looking back here, this is 174, 175 right there. So we go back to the 23rd of June when we noticed that that was the top. So this got me a little nervous right there. Back and forth, we almost got out. What we should have done instead was punched a long through 175 back up to the upside. Eventually, this is, I trade off the 1 minute, this is a 3 minute. Eventually we broke the 50 period all the way up here. So you can see the 50 period on the 3 minute a little different. We would have got out much lower, but we get out there once it breaks back down below 177.50. I may be corrected on that. That's probably not the 50 period. It was just, we were waiting for a 180 top, right, to come through again, which is sort of where we dumped off there. That didn't happen, and as soon as that didn't happen, we played the retracement back in. That's what it was. So it wasn't the 50 period. It was a break back down below of 177.50. So it was dancing around 178.50. We said we'd put about $1 trail on it. That's exactly what we did. So we got out there for the $1 trail. So that's the key there. Now you're seeing it barcoding a little bit. I think it's probably worth a break if we take down that 177 level. But again, be prepared. That's the big thing, right? Here's Netflix 212. That goes all the way down to 200 before now it's what, 218, something like that, back up to the upside. So some of these levels remain key levels, and that one for NVIDIA was very, very key at 168. Keep trading the chip names. I think they just, no matter what, if they're going to be long or short, there's a lot of volume, a lot of moves. They're perfect for day traders. Make sure you check out our sponsor, Day Trade the World, to get your trading career started.